Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kamukam College Shillong kakot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Inspector ka National Disaster Response Force Ubayala mekikin hon baka nyungut jangki NDRF banwa de sunam Raghuvanshi haki thain sora ulal ringsan ulong bakakin hon jong u gede ke belatur hakeleng ki Jaka kum ke Kashmir Rajasthan bachiki we pat ki benta balong riat hende kilap bahagni ke Jaka kalong pher bha bar uslap sora ru ude uslap wa pher tam nambaro ki Jaka om tang hari India hendre habari ru Ule thu bakalong ke be bha ban hiar syakiriat kiram namar ka jingdum lo palat bakin persang biang hagasngi kababut
Saya di kita mana? Kibet. Domar ada spray beli ni. Al pakai tok turun. Descender mau convert kalau. जनता वन हॉल्ट करना है क्या? वो ऐसे करके आ रहा है क्या? इसी से खींच लेगा ठीक था.
Actually, the NDRF are trained to work under any circumstances, and we can work all over India under any terrain also. And we do have work in Kashmir, which is below freezing point also. And at the same time, we do also work here in Rajasthan, which is more than 50 degrees Celsius also. But the terrain here in Cherrapunji, so to say, Sora is very much different from other terrain of India and abroad. And although we did try our best by rappelling to reach up to the ground in this steep gorge, so to say, Wei Mei Song slope. It is really challenging for us. The terrain is full of dense forest characterized by slippery stone as well as low visibility. But as the NDRF are trying hard, which even the drone and human untrained cannot reach the place. The NDRF takes the task to reach all the area which was not searched earlier. We did our best, but unluckily, due to low visibility and dense forest, we cannot reach up to the ground. So we should try another day. For tomorrow, we should continue the search operation. That's all.
Thank you, sir.